Hey, it's me, Rich Shooty with Avalon, and I was just taking a minute to try and reach out to as many of you as I can all at once, just to talk a little bit about what's been going on the last few days in the market. As you all know, that if you have certain concerns or fears or need to talk to somebody, please pick up the phone. We're here to talk to you about what's going on in your individual portfolios and to let you know some of the things that we're doing to make this bad situation a little bit better. 4 trading days in a row, we've had some pretty serious negative trades, negative momentum in the markets. Started last Thursday, and it was kind of a combination of a couple of different things. We had, China devaluing their currency, as they were starting to talk about economic slowdown. Although a slowdown, I don't know if we consider 5% growth versus 8.5% really a slowdown, but regardless, it kind of sent things a little bit crazy with the devaluation of the currency over there. And then a lot of indecision and poor direction from our own Fed here at home. We have a situation where the Fed's been talking about raising rates for a long time. As many of you that have followed me and have listened to things I've said for a while now, I just don't see any reason for there to be a rate increase. And the Fed continues to want to do that, and they can't find a way to justify it. And here they are again, but there's just no clear message. So as a result, we have a real light trading volume period of time as we're coming off of summer and vacations and kids getting back to school and all that kind of stuff. So just the littlest things have a tendency to set markets off. And when you have a lot of fear and a lot of people worried about exactly what's happening, it kind of becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. And so what we saw was, a couple of really bad days on Thursday and Friday of last week, and then Monday was just a real crazy ride with the Dow opening, almost 1,100 points off, to still have a really bad day by the time it all panned out. And this morning, starting to have a real nice upside kick to wind up, in the last hour of trading to be back down again. It's just been a really, really volatile time, and it's really fear and uncertainty that are driving all of it. There's really no good logical rationale for what's happening. I'm going to post another video along with this one that actually talks about the impact of Greece, and it's an interesting concept about how our markets wound up responding to something that we didn't really have a lot to do with, more than the markets that did. And so it kind of plays into American investor sentiment, and I think kind of highlights what I'm saying here, just a different catalyst, right? This time being China and an indecisive Fed. So we'll send that out to you. I want you to know that we're spending time today and tomorrow rebalancing portfolios where there's opportunities, doing the thing that feels the hardest to do, right? We're selling gainers and buying some losers to bring our portfolios back into the mix to where we expect them to be. So look for that in your portfolios over the course of the next couple of days. Know we're here to answer questions and hold your hand if you're scared. And if you're not, feel free to give us a call and let us know that we're doing an okay job keeping you feeling that you're not. So again, looking forward to talking to you. For those of you that we haven't talked to yet, getting through, some of our end of summer meetings, and hopefully moving into fall with some good positive direction. I still do believe that there's some good growth in the markets that are ahead of us here before 2015 closes out. Not seeing this as something that's prolonged personally, but as we all know, there's no crystal ball, and we certainly don't preach that, right? We're invested in capital markets the way the capital markets behave, and we're still looking to take opportunities to, like I said, rebalance and make the best of a bad situation. But we're watching it carefully, looking out for you, and we're looking forward to hearing from you and talking